In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Netflix membership in Chrome. If you want to stop your Netflix auto renewal and make sure your membership does not continue into the next billing cycle, this is a very simple process and only takes a moment once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to netflix.com/your-account. This page takes you directly to your Netflix account settings, which is where all your membership and billing controls are located. If you are not already signed in, Netflix may ask you to log in before you can continue. Once you are inside your account page, take a moment to let everything fully load so you can see all the available options. Next, look toward the left side of the page for the membership and billing panel. This section contains the main controls related to your current plan, payments, and account status. It's the area you'll need in order to manage or cancel your subscription. If the page looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Netflix occasionally updates the layout, but the membership and billing area should still be easy to identify. Once you've found that section, click the Cancel Membership button. This is the option that begins the cancellation process. After selecting it, Netflix will usually take you to a confirmation screen. This extra screen is important because clicking the first button alone may not completely stop the renewal. Netflix often uses a confirmation step to make sure you really want to cancel. On the confirmation screen, click Finish Cancellation. This is the final action that stops your membership from auto-renewing. After you do this, your subscription should no longer renew automatically at the end of your current billing period. One helpful thing to remember is that in most cases, canceling does not remove your access immediately. You can usually continue using Netflix until the end of the current paid period, so you won't lose the time you've already paid for. It's also a good idea to look for any on-screen message or account update confirming that the cancellation was successful. That confirmation gives you peace of mind that the auto renewal has been turned off properly. And that's it. By going to your account page in Chrome, finding the membership and billing section, clicking cancel membership, and then selecting finish cancellation, you can successfully stop